Hey guys, I want to go ahead and talk about this rigid work light really quick. This is it. It's actually really big. It's about 1.5 feet wide. And these are actually flaps that will go ahead and open and close and then actually go all the way back as well. These are LED lights. This is made of plastic. It does have plastic all over the place. It also has this stand here, which you can go ahead and you can actually hold it if you're needing to. You can go ahead and let it lay back like so. And then if you're wanting to as well, you can go ahead and lean it to where it's a little bit more angled in this direction. So this is rechargeable. It does have a rechargeable battery. In your particular case, when you purchase one, you can actually go ahead and get just the light by itself. You can actually get it with the rechargeable adapter, as well as the batteries, and then the on and off button is going to be here, and then you can also change the sensitivity of how bright you want it to be with this knob. So I just wanted to go ahead and show this to you. This is fairly heavy. You can tell that it is pretty solid. I mean, this thing it's got some good power to it. Last night when we were working on my husband's truck, we had a really hard time being able to see in all the kind of nooks and crevices and that sort of thing of the engine, and our neighbor brought this over and this thing was a lifesaver. So highly recommend it for someone who is trying to go ahead and get that extra light in those dark places when they're working on a vehicle, as well as, you know, in their workshop or their garage. Definitely would recommend this item. It was a lifesaver for us, for sure.